Hello, namaskar, most welcome. Continue expanding your vocabulary. My dear, TW2 is an adverb and used in two senses. First, it means more than enough or more than required or beyond the desirable limit, showing negative force. In Hindi, बहुत 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 ज़्यादा, बहुत अधिक और उचित से अधिक. Let's use it in sentences. It's too hot today, meaning it's extremely hot today. Second, it's not too hot today. Third, he eats too much. Fourth, you are too bad. Fifth, they are too poor to keep a servant, meaning they are so poor that they cannot keep a servant, and the tea is too hot to drink. Mind that if the quality is unlikely to change, don't use to, as the sentence sugar is too sweet does not give proper sense, so don't use to in such sentences. Now second, my dear, TW2 also means also or in addition. In Hindi, bhi, but in this sense, to is used only in affirmative or positive sentences and placed generally in the end or middle of the sentence. Let's use it in sentences. She likes cold drinks and I like it too, or I too like it, or I also like it. You too are invited to the party. She wants to go too, or she too wants to go. And fourth, I like IPL matches. I like IPL matches too, or in a spoken, me too can be said. And the last point to know, time passes all too soon. It means time passes very, very, very quickly. And one more thing, my dear, in negative sentences, use either when to means also, in the sense of also, use either in negative sentences. Don't use to, as she doesn't like cold drinks and I don't like it either. He is a vegetarian. He is not a vegetarian. I'm not either, or I'm not a vegetarian either. Hope you got it. Have a nice time. Ciao.